comprehensive knife sharpeners comparison. For home cooks and professional chefs alike, a sharp knife is not just a convenience, but a critical tool for ensuring precision, safety, and efficiency in the kitchen. Over time, even the best knives lose their edge, making an electric knife sharpener an essential appliance for maintaining their performance. In this comparison, we evaluated 5 electric knife sharpeners, ranging from budget-friendly options to high-end models. List num. The Presto 0880 Eversharp is a compact and affordable 2-stage electric knife sharpener designed to restore a razor-sharp edge to non-serrated kitchen and sport knives. Utilizing sapphirite sharpening wheels, the same ultra-hard material found in professional sharpening tools, this device offers a simple, no-guess sharpening process. Its precision blade guides ensure that knives are held at the optimal angle during sharpening, making it user-friendly for beginners. The lightweight plastic construction and compact footprint make it ideal for small kitchens or occasional use. In performance tests, the Presto 0880 Eversharp excelled at sharpening standard kitchen knives, producing a clean, sharp edge within seconds. However, it struggled with thicker blades and lacked the versatility to handle serrated or ceramic knives. The 2-stage system, coarse grinding followed by fine honing, delivered consistent results, though the lack of a polishing stage left some edges less refined. For its price point, it offers excellent value, but its limited functionality may not suit more advanced users or those with diverse. List num. The Chef's Choice 15XV Edge Select is a premium electric knife sharpener that combines advanced technology with a robust 3-stage sharpening system. Designed to convert traditional 20-degree edges into ultra-sharp 15-degree Trizor edges, this model is equipped with 100% diamond abrasives for precision sharpening. Its patented flexible spring guides automatically adjust to the blade angle, ensuring consistent results. This sharpener is suitable for both straight edge and serrated knives, making it one of the most versatile options on the market. During testing, the 15XV delivered exceptional results across a wide range of knives, from delicate paring knives to heavy-duty chef's knives. The 3 stages, coarse, fine, and polishing, allowed for comprehensive sharpening and edge refinement. The noise level, while noticeable, was within acceptable limits for a high-powered machine. Its durable construction and thoughtful design justify the higher price tag, making it an excellent choice for serious cooks or professionals who demand top-tier performance. List num. 3. The Presto 08810 Professional Electric Knife Sharpener offers a significant upgrade over its predecessor with a 3-stage sharpening system and adjustable blade thickness selector. This model accommodates a wider variety of knives, including sentoku and hunting knives, thanks to its adjustable guides. The extra-fine grit ceramic wheel in the final stage ensures a polished, razor-sharp edge, making it a versatile option for home kitchens. In performance evaluations, the Presto 08810 demonstrated reliable sharpening capabilities across various blade types. The adjustable thickness selector was particularly useful for customizing the sharpening process, though the machine's larger size and heavier weight made it less portable. While it doesn't offer the same level of refinement as the Chef's Choice 15XV, it provides excellent value for its mid-range price, making it a solid choice for home cooks seeking versatility without breaking the bank. List more. The Discile Professional Electric Knife Sharpener is a well-rounded option that combines a 3-stage sharpening system with 100% diamond abrasives. Its 20-degree precision angle guide ensures consistent sharpening results, while the magnetic chip collection box simplifies cleanup. Designed for home use, this sharpener is compatible with a variety of straight-edge knives, including chef's and paring knives. During use, the Discile sharpener impressed with its efficiency and ease of operation. The diamond abrasives provided quick and effective sharpening, while the polishing stage added a smooth finish to the blade. However, its performance was slightly less consistent with thicker or heavily damaged knives. The ergonomic design and reduced vibration made it comfortable to use, positioning it as a user-friendly option for home kitchens. Lesson 5. The Dawnstar Diamond Electric Knife Sharpener is a budget-friendly option that offers a dual-stage sharpening system with diamond abrasives. Designed for quick and efficient sharpening, it is compatible with both stainless steel and ceramic knives. The auto-angle guide simplifies the sharpening process, making it accessible for beginners. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle further enhance user convenience. In testing, the Dawnstar Sharpener performed admirably for its price, delivering sharp edges on standard kitchen knives. However, the lack of a polishing stage limited its ability to refine edges for premium results. While it may